this game's rules and the game piece and stuff.
I watched like whatever class thingy we did, and there was like a pattern of using balls, and we haven't used them in a while.
Compete to earn points by harvesting algae.
So the game piece is going to be like a common item. What do you think it's going to be?
Probably like a piece of piping, like PVC pipe.
Eating coral on their reef.
Oh, look, Jude.
Oh, hello.
They say it's gonna be like a common item as part of a game piece. What do you think that's gonna be?
I'm hearing lots of PVC pipe.
Eating coral on their reef.
I'm guessing our game piece is probably going to be something like PVC pipe. It's probably going to call it coral.
Eating coral on their reef.
Put this coral in the reef.
Eating coral on their reef.